The Corsair iCUE 5000T RGB mid-tower case combines bold styling with brilliant RGB lighting powered by an included Commander Core XT fan and lighting controller. When building with the 5000T RGB, make sure that the case lighting is connected to the Commander Core XT's 3-pin RGB port and that the ID cable has been connected to the ID port. This will ensure that iCUE can properly recognize and power the 5000T RGB's integrated lighting. Once you've finished your build, install or update to the latest version of Corsair iCUE and navigate to the 5000T RGB. 4-pin lighting effects control the lighting of any fans connected to the Commander Core XT's 4-pin RGB fan lighting ports. By default, the 5000T is equipped with 3 LL120 RGB fans. If you swap these out or added more, simply run the wizard to detect any changes to the default configuration. Once your fans are detected, you can customize lighting effects as well as cooling presets. 3-pin lighting effects control the lighting of the 5000T's integrated light strips. Each light strip is labeled for easy identification, and you can apply any combination of lighting effects for unique combinations. By default, the lighting zones on the left and right side of the 5000T are mirrored. To disable this behavior, go to Device Settings and untoggle the Synchronized Case Lighting setting. And that's it. The Corsair iCUE 5000T RGB lets you make a bold statement with your build, with advanced lighting control powered by Corsair iCUE. Thanks for watching.